Hello to everyone. It's me, her son. And once again, welcome back to our channel, Lakad TV. And today, we're gonna do another unboxing or unwrapping of, parcel that we received yesterday. Well, it's coming from our local blade makers here in the Philippines. It's a good thing that we support our local maker here in the Philippines. It's one way of supporting them. And uh, we're gonna showcase our product here in the international field because I believe that here in the Philippines we have a lot of artists here that could compete in an international level. Oh, they can make also amazing creation like the one that we've seen in the international level. All right. So with here is a parcel coming from Sir Jerry Napoles or Sir Jake Napoles of Leyte Blade Makers. So we're gonna unwrap this and let's see if it is in line with our agreed upon specification. And he told us that this is just not an ordinary blade, but it is a heavy duty blade that I can use in our everyday uh, life or usage. All right. So let's gonna find out if he's telling the truth, and hopefully we can buy another one if it is a good unit coming from his business, or he's the one who's selling this, Sir Jake Napoles. Thank you for this parcel here. I received it yesterday and gonna find out here if it is a legit one. All right, so let's just unwrap this and or unbox this parcel. All right, let's do it. All right, guys. Ito. This is the parcel that I've told you. It's coming from Sir Jerry Napoles, also known as Jake Napoles. Isa lang yata ito, mga kababayan or mga kalakad. So as you can see here, it came from Leyte. Alright? So yan, may number dyan. Pwede nyong kontakin yan kung gusto nyo ring bumili sa kanila ng ganitong mga blade. May mga iba't ibang mga blade na pagpipilian sa kanila, mga kalakad. So here, eto na. Ayan po yung pangalan natin and address. Alright. So eto na yung parcel. Utility blade po ito. Ito yung gagamitin natin na from everyday. From day to day. Alright. Ayan, nakikita nyo. I-unwrap na natin and gonna find out if it is a legit one. Alright, let's get started.